Deep in the heart of a quaint village nestled amidst towering mountains, there was a cave. A magical cave. Legend had it that this cave was a gateway to another realm, a realm of unimaginable wonders and terrifying creatures. It is said that those who dared to enter never return the same. This tale begins with a young boy named Oliver. Oliver was a curious soul, always hungry for adventure and knowledge. He was fascinated by the stories he heard from the elders about the mystic cave and the secrets it held. No one in the village had ever dared to venture inside its eerie depths. But Oliver's spirit yearned for something more than just the mundane routines of village life. Every night, as the moon cast its silvery glow over the village, Oliver would find himself standing at the entrance of the cave. His heart would race, and an inexplicable force would pull him closer to the darkness that lay beyond. His mind filled with anticipation and terror as he contemplated whether to step into the unknown or heed the warnings of the scared villagers. One moonlit night, driven by an insatiable thirst for adventure, Oliver mustered all his courage and took a step forward into the cave. The entrance swallowed him, leaving behind only the echoing sound of his racing heartbeat. As he delved deeper, the echoes seemed to dance with the shadows that flickered on the cave walls. The air turned icy, as if the cave itself was alive and breathing. Whispers, barely audible, began to fill Oliver's ears. They spoke of forgotten tales and hidden treasures. The trepidation that had once gripped him morphed into an adrenaline-fueled excitement that pushed him further. As he ventured deeper, the cave revealed its true form. Stalactites and stalagmites stretched out like jagged teeth, threatening to grab hold of Oliver as he passed. But he pressed on with unwavering determination. Suddenly, the path split into two diverging routes. Oliver felt a chill creep up his spine as he realized the gravity of his decision. His palms turned clammy, and his breath quickened. It felt as if the cave itself was testing his resolve, offering a chance to turn back or continue down an even more treacherous path. Ignoring the inner voice urging him to retreat, Oliver chose the path less traveled. He descended into a vast hall, lit only by a cluster of glowing crystals. Their ethereal light cast eerie shadows on the walls. The air grew thicker, laden with anticipation and the unknown. As Oliver cautiously tiptoed through the hall, he stumbled upon a hidden chamber. Within its recesses lay a treasure chest, covered in vines and dust. His heart raced at the sight of it, for he knew that such a find would forever change his life. His hands trembling, Oliver reached out and gently brushed away the years of neglect. With bated breath, he opened the chest, and what lay inside left him awestruck. It was a map intricately drawn with symbols and signs that seemed to hold ancient secrets. Driven by a renewed sense of purpose, Oliver embarked on a quest to decode the cryptic map and unlock the wonders it promised. His journey took him through perilous valleys, treacherous swamps, and towering mountains. He encountered fierce creatures and made unlikely alliances. Finally, after a grueling adventure that tested his every limitation, Oliver arrived at the sacred chamber of forgotten legends. The room was illuminated by a bright, otherworldly glow. As he stepped inside, the whispers that had followed him since the cave's entrance crescendoed into a harmonious symphony. In the center of the chamber stood a grand statue, its eyes sparkling with untold wisdom. With trembling hands, Oliver reached out and touched it. In an instant, he was granted the knowledge he sought, the ancient secrets revealed to him alone. With newfound enlightenment, Oliver emerged from the cave a changed boy. The villagers marveled at his transformation, the essence of magic now woven into his every step. He became a sage, the bearer of wisdom and keeper of stories long forgotten. The tale of the young boy who boldly entered the magical cave would be told for generations to come. It served as a reminder that sometimes the greatest adventures are born out of courage, curiosity, and a willingness to step into the unknown, even when faced with the unspoken fears of others.